Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're soaring high as we compare the TiziToy brushless motor drone and the Chubery super enduring brushless motor drone. Let's see which one will make you the king of the skies and which one might have you crash landing into disappointment. Let's get started. First up, the price. The TiziToy comes in at a wallet-friendly $99. That's right, less than $100. Reviewers love how affordable it is, making it a great entry-level drone. On the other hand, the Chubery will set you back a heftier $149. For that price, it better come with some impressive features, right? Reviewers generally feel that the Chubery is priced appropriately for its extended battery life and durability. Now let's talk cameras. The TiziToy boasts a 4K adjustable FPV camera with a 120 degrees manually adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens. Reviewers rave about its stunning camera clarity and the wide-angle capabilities. On the other hand, the Chubery offers a 2K HD camera with a 130 degrees wide-angle lens. While it's not 4K, many users find it more than adequate for casual photography and videography. If you're a stickler for ultra-high definition, TiziToy is your guy. Battery life is next, and this one's a doozy. The TiziToy gives you two 1,600 mAh batteries, offering up to 40 minutes of flight time. Reviewers find this quite solid for its price range. However, the Chubery comes with 3 upgraded batteries that provide a whopping 84 minutes of flight time. Reviewers love this extended fly time, making it a hit for those long aerial sessions. Both drones come loaded with features, but let's break it down. The TiziToy is like a Swiss Army knife in the sky. It has high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3 speed gears, gesture control, headless mode, 1-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, 360 degrees flip, low battery warning, and emergency stop. Plus, it's got 360-degree obstacle avoidance indoors. Reviewers appreciate the wide array of features, especially for the price. The Chubery, however, isn't slacking either. It has 1-key start landing, optical flow positioning, altitude hold, follow me, 3D flips, headless mode, speed adjustment, gesture selfie, and trajectory flight functions. Reviewers find these features particularly useful for beginners and kids. Build and durability. The TiziToy has strengthened casing and exterior painting to eliminate that cheap plastic feel. Reviewers note its solid build quality and durability. The Chubery, on the other hand, is made from upgraded composite material, making it more resistant to falls and collisions. Reviewers compare it to the Rocky Balboa of drones. It can take a punch and keep on flying. Overall, Amazon reviewers have positive things to say about both drones. The TiziToy is praised for its affordability, camera quality, and range of features, though some users report issues with customer support. The Chubery is lauded for its extended battery life, ease of use, and durability, although a few users experienced issues with its stability in flight. So there you have it, folks. The TiziToy is your budget-friendly, feature-packed buddy, while the Chubery is the marathon runner with the endurance of a superhero. Which one should you buy? Well, that depends on what you're looking for. If you want to save some cash and still get some killer features, go with the TiziToy. But if you're looking for a drone that can stay in the air longer than your attention span, the Chubery is your guy. Thanks for watching. Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.